Gander Center, Cougar 9-1, Mayday.
Cougar 91 Center, go ahead.
Yes, sir, we have main gearbox oil pressure problems. Request immediate clearance back to St. John's.
Cougar 91, Roger. You can make a right turn heading 300, radar vectors for St. John's.
Right turn 300 for St. John's, Cougar 91.
Cougar 91, Roger. Jetlink 2039, call Gander, frequency 134.7, we'll see you.
134.7, Jetlink, 2039, we'll see you.
And CanJet 922, Gander, frequency 134.7, we'll see you.
134.7, 922, good day.
And Cougar 91 Center, make the heading 290.
Say again for Cougar 91?
Yeah, Cougar 91, you can fly heading 290.
90, Cougar 91.
Roger.
Austin, F21.
F21, Gander, stand by one, please.
Yes, sir. Still need some more.
And Cougar 91 Center.
Center 91, go.
For Cougar 91, the winds are 200, 18 gusting 24. Which runway would you like me to set you up for?
I'm going to be going for the nearest piece of terra firma I can get to.
Okay, are you IMC or VMC?
VMC right now, and I'm in a descent headed towards the surface.
Okay, understood. If you can see the shoreline there, you can start in towards the nearest piece land.
Yeah, whatever I see first, I say if it's Cape Spear or a parking lot, we've lost all, make your rock oil pressure at this time.
Understood. And Cougar 91, your present heading is pretty good for Cape Spear. You're about 42 miles from Cape Spear there right now. And Cougar 91, Gander?
Gander 91, go.
So you're unable to maintain altitude, is that correct?
With this condition, we have to be down as close to the surface as possible in case we have catastrophic failure.
Okay, understood. Search and rescue has been notified, and I got you on radar for now. And St. John's altimeter setting is at 2992.
2992, and company's been advised to get another aircraft ready for just in case.
Understood. Ask 4816 Center, make a left turn 5 degrees.
Left, red heading 305.
Cougar 91, altimeter at St. John's 2992, and if you have time, I'll take souls on board if fuel remaining.
Okay, with the 2992 we have.